Evening, folks. Kevin here. Tonight, I'm smoking a Ron Mexico and hitting a little Green River. Tonight is kind of a follow-up to a previous Cigar and Whiskey talk, the one about the Chinese balloon, because apparently my opinion did not agree with someone else's. Sorry about that. And he put a lengthy comment on my on the video. If you want to go back and look, you can. And if you do that, I suggest you just jump over and check out his channel, because he's got some videos up. So check out his channel too, if you're interested enough to go back and look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the comment, and then I'll go back and answer his points. Okay, here we go. For God's sake, please think. We jammed the balloon as it entered U.S. And here's a parenthesis in here. I don't know what it means, but parenthesis. I suspected so and watched the jammer aircraft on ADS-B exchange. No close parenthesis. So I don't know where that was supposed to end, or if it was an accident. They then shot it down in a place they could recover it. We already know what they attempted to transmit. You, all caps, you are acting like an expert. Thousands of these things all the time, exclamation point. Come on, dude, get real. Why shoot it down until you get to collect all its data? Damn, this country's people are so ignorant and just waiting for some conspiracy theory. Damn. With all that being said, for God's sakes, please think. I did. That's why I put my opinion out there about what I thought about the situation. If you had actually watched the video, you would have known that I didn't say this was a problem. In fact, I played it down. It's not a problem. It was taken care of, but we made a big deal out of one little balloon when there's a lot of them up there. And not just spy balloons, like I said, and I don't even know if this is a spy balloon, and neither do you. What I said was there are lots of balloons flying around. Okay? They shot it down in a place they could recover it. You mean waiting until it was over the ocean after it covered 2/3 of the United States instead of in the least populated state of the United States, over Montana, where they could have shot it down and actually recovered and actually been assured of recovering the stuff, instead of waiting until it was over the water so it could hit, sink, disperse, do whatever it does when it hits the water. Anyway, we already know what they attempted to transmit. You are acting like an expert. I'm not an expert on spy balloons in any way, shape, or form. Or a lot of other balloons. Thousands of these things all the time. Well, ABC actually did a little research on this when all this came up. And according to them, on any given day across worldwide, there are 1,800 balloons launched for various reasons. Military balloons, atmospheric data collection balloons, radio operator balloons, hobbyist balloons, educational balloons from colleges and universities and so on and so forth, and even high school weather clubs that are launching balloons. 1,800 a day. 92 alone in the United States. On any given day. 1,800. So you figure it out how many that is in a year. I'm not going to do the math for you. I'm not mad at you. I'm just disappointed. Come on, dude. Get real. I'm fairly real. Why shoot it down until you get to collect its data? I didn't say anything about not shooting it down. I did wonder why we waited so long. Not that I care. Because, you know... Oh, we'll get to this in a minute. Because it's not an oddball phenomenon. It's not. Just live with the fact that it's not a strange occurrence. Damn, this country's people are so ignorant and just waiting for some conspiracy theory. I don't think it's a conspiracy theory. I think they're just stupid. Damn. By the way, I got a question for you. I suspected so and watched the jammer aircraft on ADSB Exchange. So basically, you said it was jammed the minute that it came in the United States. So basically, before they ever reported it, you were watching the jammer aircraft? The jammer aircraft? And why are you tracking aircraft anyway? That's what the ADSB, for those of you who don't know, the ADSB Exchange, they track aircraft. That's what they do. So, I don't know. I don't think it's a big conspiracy. I don't think it's a big problem. I'll be honest with you. There are many communities who thought it was a problem. The prepper communities were having a heart attack thinking it was going to be an EMP device. There were folks out there in different circles who thought it was going to drop a bioweapon. There were folks who actually thought it was a spy satellite, and I don't really care if it was. I'll be honest with you, don't care. But anyway, you have your right to your opinion. I have my right to my opinion. Everybody who has an opinion has a right to it. If you don't like that, that's fine. If you don't like my opinions, my suggestion is not to watch. Is that you do not watch Salty Dog Outdoors. However, I do thank you for your review. I do thank you for your support. I do thank you for your comment. We're just going to have to agree to disagree because you got your panties in a bunch for no reason. I actually agree with most of your points. You just took it that I didn't. I don't care. I don't care how many's up there floating around. Don't care. Not an expert, but I can read, and I still possess the power of deductive reasoning, unlike most folks nowadays. With all that being said, spent the last 4 days in the woods. Having a good time. We had a class over at school. Met a lot of people who watch Salty Dog Outdoors. Thanks, I appreciate that. Got classes pretty much every week for the next couple of months. So videos may be few and far between, or there may be nonsense, just like this one. So, with all that being said, Ron Mexico, not a bad cigar, little lighter, not quite as bold a flavor as I normally like. I would do it again. And the Green River, since you guys have watched me do it several times, I think you can figure out what my opinion is on that. The wind's blowing outside the shack tonight and running branches up all along my metal roof. I hope you can actually hear what I'm saying. Well, looks like we're coming up on the 9-minute and 45-second mark. I'm going to cut this off real quick. Thanks for your reviews. Thanks for your support. Thanks for you guys who have followed my affiliate link and bought stuff. all that other stuff. Thanks. Keep on watching. And if you want to go back and check out this guy's comment, don't give him the right act. He's got as much right to his opinion as we do. And I suggest you flip over to his channel, and he's got a few videos up. Give him a view. Talk to you later. Bye.